Hello! And welcome to
the unseen universe!
That's right! Today we have an interesting episode, I think so. So we went to Costco and we picked up this big old canister box or tub of nuts. We love nuts in this house, don't we guys? So we picked up this nuts and it has pecans, cashews, and almonds and pistachios. And so we figured, hey, why don't we look at some nuts today? Yeah, isn't that interesting? Now, today, the one we're actually going to select is the pecan. We're going to look at a pecan nut. And so look at this big box nut. We always get this from Costco. We mix it in with ice cream and it tastes really delightful. Can we say delightful?
Delightful!
Hey, that's good. Okay, so let's take a look and let's get one of these almonds, shall we?
Yeah, we should! Yeah, good job!
Did I say almonds? I meant pecans. Let's get a little pecan and then we'll look at one under. Here it is. Under. This is a little pecan, guys.
Ooh,
Let's close this up.
pecan.
You want a pecan? All right. We'll snack afterwards, fellas. So here's a little pecan, and let's put him under the microscope, and let's explore what he looks like.
Yeah.
There's the pecan right there, guys.
Look it. I see a little bit pink thing.
That's right. So it's brown when you look at it, but up close, you can see the little red coloring of the pecan. Can you see that? Yeah. I'll stand up here. Yeah, do you see that?
Yeah.
That's the red coloring of the pecan. This is the 5X objective. You can see the grainy structure. It's bumpy.
Yeah.
Okay, it's bumpy here.
Bumpy.
Yeah, it's bumpy on the pecan. And you can see the red. I love pecans. I love pecan ice cream. That's one of my favorites. Shall we go closer?
We should go to 20.
Skip the 10 and go to 20. Let's do 10 first, okay?
We're gonna do 10. 10x.
10x, here we go.
Here we go.
Whoa, look at that, guys.
I see pink.
You see pink. Rosita, what do you see?
I see that.
You see red. It's like a reddish pinkish color on these pecans that we have here.
Yeah.
Wow. From here they look brown, but when you dive in deeper, it's reddish and pink. That's actually very interesting. Do you see how bumpy it is?
Yeah.
What's your favorite nut?
I like blue nuts.
Blue nuts? What's a blue nut? What's your favorite nut? Red nuts?
Purple nuts.
Purple nuts?
I like a blue and purple nut.
Why don't you guys leave in the comments what your favorite nut? These guys like purple and blue. I don't know where they got that from. So there's that pecan. Let's go to the 20 now.
Yeah, let's go to 20x.
Whoa, now those bumps are really protruding a lot. You can see a lot more definition on them. Wow, isn't that interesting?
I still see pink.
You still see pink?
Yeah.
Yeah, I still see pink and red. You're right. What do you think, Osita? Do you like this pecan nut?
No.
It's strange when you look at it. Do you want to hold one? Look at this. Wow, yeah.
Can you hold it?
That's what it looks like.
It's a knocking nut.
Yeah, a little pecan nut.
Yeah.
It's delightful with ice cream. One of my favorites.
Ooh,
Yeah. So that's the 20X.
Let's
Let's do the 50.
50x.
Let's just go all the way. Let's get as close as we can. Here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
It's kind of blobby.
There.
I still see pink.
You still see the pink?
Yeah, I
Now the bumps look like small mountains. That's how close we are.
Is there 100?
There is a 100. Maybe next time we can try a 100X. Yeah, that's really close. Wow, look at those pecans.
What else numbers are there?
There is an 80 as well. Yeah, an 80 one. But we don't have that one set up quite yet, but perhaps next time. So there you go, guys. That's what the pecan from Costco looks like. Yeah, these unsalted mixed nuts. We love to snack on these and we put it with ice cream and we just put it in our mouth and we just love nuts. So there you go, guys. We hope you enjoyed today's episode as we looked at the pecan. And thank you for joining us as we explored the